fine.
First off, we got a little late. Just kind of take us through what first appearance. Anything remarkable out of that in your mind?
On the Williams-Tillman matter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, this is just his standard first appearance. He must be brought before the judge within 36 hours, excluding holidays and weekends, and this was his first appearance. Gave us an opportunity to gather some brief information enough to file a formal complaint with the court charging him with the second-degree intentional murder.
So on the surface, just reading the charges, I mean, it sounds like some sort of romantic relationship that went.
It appears so, yes. And the exact details of that is still under the matter is still under investigation. I've met with the investigators a couple of different times, and they're still out as we speak, gathering more information relating to the case.
I mean, it reads like a horror story, though, running, chasing her down out of the car and stabbing her on the sidewalk, leaving her there.
I'll leave that for people to conclude when they read it. I really don't want to talk on the specifics of the facts, and so because I'd like to try the case in Blue Earth County and not some other county. So, but I understand what you're saying. Yes.
As far as the bail, I know you requested it was a lot higher.
Correct.
What's I guess your reaction to what was finally given?
The judge exercised his discretion. That's the judge's decision. That's why you have two attorneys, two tables, two sides, and the judge makes the call. And the judge made the call, and I have no qualms with that.
Can you speak to the history? I mean, does this go down as a domestic violence type thing in this county? I mean, is this
technically, I'm going to have to wait until I receive all the evidence and all the facts, but it sure appears that it could, and just like anything else, it has not been ruled out, but it appears that it could. And I don't know the extent of the history and that's another avenue that the investigators are still seeking at this time.
And I guess how important is that? I guess talking to detectives today, that finding out exactly what the nature of this relationship is.
Well, it's important. Just all facts of the case are important, but it's with respect to any of the elements of the crime, what he's been charged with, it has no real bearing. But it does, if there's a past relationship there, it may help explain why certain things happened, or we need to know what the past relationship was to determine if it's relevant or not relevant to any of the elements of the case.
He's overheard on the phone in the jail saying, I killed someone,
Correct.
I'm in some serious trouble here.
Correct.
Is that, it's obviously in this complaint, does that weigh, can you describe how that would help your case going forward?
It certainly can't hurt. It's not a direct admission that I killed so-and-so, but if he killed somebody, and we know that in the last 15 months there's been 3 homicides in Blue Earth County, we can pretty narrow it down from there, and that he's the prime suspect in the most recent one.